Hi, welcome to my channel again. This is a quick review of Sheer Glow by NARS. As you can see, I've just concealed a little bit of my eyes quickly before I started with Prep and Prime by MAC. Listed it on the below, and then now with NARS in Biscuit shade. And then I shall start, which I'm super excited about. I've used Luminous, haven't used Sheer Glow, so this is my first time. Let's see how it works. I've prepped my skin already. I'm kind of excited about this video, as you can tell. So first, oh, whoops, it's quite liquidy. I didn't expect that, to be completely honest. Cleaned myself up, came back. Okay, it's going on quite well, like that. It went on quite smoothly, similar consistency to Luminous, but less liquidy than Luminous, because Luminous literally just pours everywhere. But I like it, it's nice, it's consistent. Then powdered it down. I mean, just use the buffing brush just to make sure there's no harsh lines, and around my lines. And then I think I would have powdered it. Powdered it. There we go. So then powdered it, then used Blooming Blush by MAC, just to highlight my nose and my cheek and my lips, my cupid bone on my lips. I think that's what it's called. It's quite nice. The highlight sat really nicely on the foundation, so that was great. This is my everyday highlighter. This is my favourite highlighter. It's a little bit goldy and pinky. It's not as silver tone for a dark tone like us. Then I used Sweet as Cocoa by MAC as a blusher slash contour, because I couldn't be bothered. I was running out of space, and then just cleaned it all up and make sure it was harsh enough. And then I just went underneath my eyes again with the Too Faced palette, just to complete the eyes, and went with the Inside Casual Smolder pencil by MAC. And then I did my lips, but I got that in another video. Thank you, bye.